STEMMA 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 S
Hi everyone, this is week 3 and this is the moving pencil experiment. So you will need something to balance the pencil on in a shape like this, a pencil, a foam tray, and something to rub on the tray to make static. We're using some tights here. So, very simple. First thing you need to do is rub this, and you can already feel with your fingers the electricity. Rub it. You want to rub it for about 30 seconds. And you will see what happens after we finish rubbing. Now, watch the pencil. Wow, look at this. It moves all on its own. I'm not touching it. And it spins because of the static. Wow, so cool. Thank you everyone. Bye.